Welcome to another video on orders, RFQs, and POs. So we are just ready to release. So we're just going to give another look on any gaps on our orders. So still a few components to build. So these are built in-house. Let's go and just mark them as received. So they are built internally. So let's do that. Let's just mark those two as received. So they will be marked as received and they will increase inventory. And we also had from previous example an order of 5 units that were also looking to be completed. So this one here, there's just still 5 to be received. So let's receive those two, and we should have all quantities and no gaps. So if you update the order again, this will should have no gaps. So as you can see, there's no gaps, and we are ready to build. So when you say release to production, this is going to uh, consume the quantity required from inventory, and the order will become read-only. So if you see, there's read-only there. So it's also great for traceability to see what sort of revisions just that we're at, but sort of a so the order is a separate piece of information. So this is recorded, separate to the bill of materials. So you can see orders as another piece of information that you can track to, how you deliver to your customers. So if we go back to the catalogs, notice that information has updated the quantities that were created and consumed. So we have less bolts, less consumption, and we will have the 10 bicycles in stock. So when you release, that product you are building, it's also going to increase quantities in stock. So thank you. Hope to see you on another video. Thank you.